Hi, I'm Vicki Moss. I'm the bell ringing coordinator for the local Salvation Army. And while you may not recognize me, I know you'll recognize these. Every year over the Christmas season, we're out at Walmart ringing the bell. 85% of everything that's contributed stays right here in Leclerc County to help those who are in need. We help with groceries, especially utilities, gas money. We help with prescriptions. So beginning November 20th through December 24th, we'll be out there Monday through Saturday. And if you would like to help us ring the bell, please get in touch with us through the Salvation Army. Thank you.